Hello, my dear students. In our previous class, we will discuss some important NCERT exemplar regarding chemical kinetics. In our present class, we will also see some more examples. Okay. So first of all, what is the order of the reaction? What is the what is the order of the reaction? What is the order of the reaction which has rate constant, which has the rate constant k equals to 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 liter mole inverse and second inverse. So what the rate constant is given, from the rate constant given we should determine what will be the order of the reaction. So we can write for a nth order reaction. So for nth order reaction, for nth order reaction, look, the rate equals to rate constant k into concentration to the power n. Suppose the reaction should be A to B. So what will be the rate? Rate is the change of concentration with the time. Change of concentration, change of concentration with time. This is the R. So R should be change of concentration with the time. That means first unit of concentration mole per liter by second. So it gives more liter inverse second inverse. So it gives mole liter inverse second inverse equals to k, and this is the unit of uh, mole liter inverse, because it is the unit of concentration. So what will be the k? Unit of k will be unit of k will be this would be minus n. So mole, so what will be the k? So this is n minus n plus 1 second inverse. So what will be the k ultimately? Ultimately it gives mole 1 minus n, it should be L, it should be n minus 1 and second inverse. So it is the unit of k, it is the unit of k for an nth order reaction. It is the unit of k for an nth order reaction. Okay. Now compare the unit of k with the given unit of k. So here we get k is the mole 1 minus n liter n minus 1 second inverse, and here our given value. So it gives 10 to the power minus 4 liter mole inverse, second inverse, and just compare these two values, compare the two values. So we'll get 1 minus n equals to, so mole, so what will be the unit of mole, what will be the power of mole? Mole, power of mole equals to 1 by n. Here power of mole equals to minus 1, so 1 by n should be minus 1, 1 by n should be minus 1, so n will be 1 plus 1, 2. If we compare the unit of liter, we will also get the same value, because here the power of L equals to n minus 1, here the power of L equals to 1. So comparing the two values, we will get the same nature. So this is n is 2, therefore we can say, therefore we can say the order of the reaction, the order of the reaction equals to 2. So this is a second order reaction. So it is clear that this is a second order reaction. Okay, my dear friends. So in our next class, the next question, we'll see some more important. So I am again requesting my dear students to please write down the notes. Please try to write down the notes with, as I writing on the whiteboard. Okay, if you all forget it. This is a very simple question. Okay, for which type of reaction? For which type of reaction? The question is, for which type of reaction? For which type of reaction? The question is, for which type of reaction? For which type of reaction? Order and molecularity have the same value. Order and molecularity, order and molecularity have the same value, have the same value. So what will be the answer? Look, the answer will be the elementary reaction. For an elementary reaction, for an elementary reaction, order and molecularity have the same value, have the same value. So what will be the elementary reaction? Elementary reactions are basically, so you should know the elementary reaction. So what will be the elementary reaction? It is a single step reaction. Single step reaction, the reaction which are occurred in a single step reaction. And we all know in our previous class that molecularity of the reaction. So what is the molecularity of the reaction? Molecularity of the reaction is nothing but the number of molecules present in the single step reaction. So actually for a single step reaction, the number of molecules present in the reaction, number of molecules of the reactants present in the reaction is exactly equal to the order of the reaction. So the answer will be the elementary reaction. And what is an elementary reaction? Elementary reaction is a single step reaction. So my dear students, you will find two different questions out of this class. So I think such kind of concept making classes are very important for you. And if you want to know some more important classes, you should go through our channel, and please be with us. And if you do have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. Okay, so please subscribe our channel and study hard and do success.